Trying to lose weight on American food and still not seeing results? It's not the bread, potatoes, or pasta, it's how you're eating them. Eat American food the wrong way and fat loss stalls. Eat it right, and you can burn fat without giving up your favorite meals. Welcome back to FlipFitYourself, where weight loss is simple, realistic, and science-backed. If you want fat loss without extreme dieting, like this video and subscribe. Most American diets fail because of oversized portions, hidden sugars, and too little protein. That leads to constant hunger, energy crashes, and stubborn belly fat. Before the meal plan, remember these rules. Protein at every meal, controlled portions of carbs, more whole foods, less processed food, cut sugary drinks completely. Breakfast, eggs with veggies or Greek yogurt, oatmeal with berries, black coffee or tea. Lunch, grilled chicken, turkey, fish or tofu, brown rice, potatoes or whole grain bread, large serving of vegetables or salad. Dinner, protein-focused, steak, chicken, fish or beans, roasted or steamed vegetables, light carbs if needed. Snacks, apple with peanut butter, protein shake, cottage cheese or yogurt, handful of nuts. This keeps calories controlled while still feeling satisfied. The biggest mistake? Eating low-fat processed foods and thinking they're healthy. That's what slows fat loss and increases cravings. If you want a 7-day American meal plan for weight loss, comment American below. Like and subscribe to FlipFitYourself for realistic fat loss strategies that actually work.